If you guys ever find yourself in a situation where you're working on a Shopify store and those 2 weeks are almost up, especially if you guys are brand new because you're learning Shopify as you're building your store, keep on watching. So today's video is fairly short and it just blew my mind because it was something that I didn't know, and I've been doing Shopify since like 2014, 2013. So I've been doing this for a while. I obviously never need more than 2 weeks because I'm able to do a store or create a store within like 2 days or 3 days max. So obviously I don't need that extension. But you could actually get a Shopify extension. That was something that I did not know. Now, a thing to keep in mind is that this extension won't work if you guys are already processing orders. This is for those of you guys who are just brand new to it and who have not processed an order, but that 2-week window is already up. So the way you do this is you just have to contact customer support and tell them that you're looking for an extension, or that if you can get an extension, and they're gonna go ahead and give it to you. They're only gonna give you 7 days. And I actually had a student ask for it twice and they gave it to him twice. So he got his initial 14 days and then on top of that, he got another 14-day extension. So that's something you guys could do if you guys wanted to, but keep in mind that you guys can't be accepting orders when you ask for the extension. So if you guys don't know how to contact customer support, just click on the link down below and you're gonna be brought up to this page. Now in this page, you're just gonna type in question. So you're gonna be prompted with a couple results for your question. Then you guys are gonna go down here where it says contact us. And in there, you're gonna select get help from Shopify support team. Now, once you do that, you have a few options to contact them. You could contact them via chat, phone, email, or Twitter. I would actually suggest you guys go with chat or email just because it's a lot easier. You guys could just either send them an email or just hop in a chat and just tell them that you want that extension. And again, this is something that I didn't know and I feel like nobody really talks about it, but you could get an extension so you guys don't have to feel like you have to rush within those 2 weeks to get your store done. So like I said, very short video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and hopefully some of you guys take advantage of that or start asking for extension when working on your store. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.